Hello kids, today we are going to learn preposition in, on and under. Before we start, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's start. In, on, under. In the box. On the chair. Under the table. Where is the duck? Duck is in the box. Now, where is the duck? Duck is on the chair. Now, duck is under the table. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. Now, where is the cat? The cat is on the chair. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Where is the dog? The dog is in the dog house. Where is the cup? The cup is on the table. Where is the bag? The bag is on the table. Where is the pencil? The pencil is in the pen stand. Where is the mouse? The mouse is under the bed. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Where is the globe? The globe is on the table. Where is the gift? The gift is on the bed. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is under the table. It's your turn. The dog is dash the box. In, on, under. In. The dog is in the box. The dog is dash the sofa. In, on, under. On. The dog is on the sofa. The dog is dash the tree. In, on, under. under. The dog is under the tree. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.